Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola One 5G, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications straight from the top, extend the list of toggles, and in here you'll find one of the pages a screen recording toggle, which for me is right here. So once you see this toggle, you can either tap on it to start recording right away, or you can hold it, and this should take you to the settings where you can just get a quick glance on how it's set by default, and if something doesn't fit your needs, you can then adjust it. From there, I'm gonna go back and simply tap on a toggle. This brings up a message, start recording. Yep, let's start. It starts a countdown from 3, at which point it will then begin recording. So whatever I'll do right now obviously will be recorded. Now if you tap on this arrow right here next to the stop button, you'll also see that we have a bunch of options like record microphone, and record front-facing camera. We can also draw and pause the video, and obviously stop, which is what I just selected. So once you stop it, the screen recording gets automatically saved to your Photos application. So open that up. And in here we can navigate to a library right here, where you'll find a screen recorder and obviously all the screen recordings that are in here. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.